This is the grand staff from the Practice Shoppe. It is magnetic and foldable, so you can fold it and put it in a bag. You can also use the back to write on if you need a blank space to write. The back is not magnetic, but the front is magnetic. So you can use any magnets, but I have these alphabet magnets. They come in all black, and they come with every letter of the musical alphabet with sharps and flats, and then some blank dots if you prefer. They also come in a rainbow pack, so you can have the rainbow dots or the rainbow letters. Each whiteboard will come with a marker and an eraser. And then newly added are these silicone stickers with the clef signs. They are stickers, so they're sticky on the back, but they're silicone and they're easily removable. So you can put them on the staff where you want it. And if you don't want it anymore, you can take it off and put it back on the sheet. It has a treble clef, a bass clef, and a C clef. So you can use it for any instrument in whatever way you'd like. You can easily put it on, and then it comes with 7 sharps and 7 flats. This is a great way to practice learning key signatures, or you can use them in front of the magnets like that. And you can easily remove them, or a student put them somewhere else and put them back on the sheet. So a bundle will come with a sheet of silicone stickers, the whiteboard, the marker, and the eraser, and either black magnets or rainbow magnets. And then if you would like both, you can buy the other as an extra set to add on to your collection.